Hey, this is Doña, and today I show you pretty slowly, like I did now, a sweet version of the most famous song called Malagueña. So, if you haven't seen my last tutorials about scales and hammer-ons and pull-offs and the legato play and the tremolo, it is a must-do to watch it, because everything I did now, it's the integration of my last tutorial. So this is what I am studying at the moment, the Malagueña. So have fun, because I want you to do the free play, because I only show you here the basic. And what you can do out of Malagueña, it's your turn to be the happiest person in the world with the happiest instrument. So let's go ahead. And by the way, I'm a low G'er. I prefer the linear play. So it's a low G. It's not a detuned ukulele. So we only need 2 chords. This is great. First we need A major. So the middle finger on the 4th string 2nd fret and the index on the 3rd string 1st fret. And then we use our ring finger, jump underneath on the middle finger on the 2nd string, and we hop with our index on the 3rd, and then we have a beautiful D minor, and we need nothing more. Especially we need a scale called D minor harmonic minor scale, which I integrated in the last step. But you can do just the regular D minor scale. Whatever you're gonna do out of Malagueña, you're gonna be the hero. So, we start with A major and play the 3-point thing, the triplet or tremolo style 2 times, because Malagueña is a 6/8 beat. So we have 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet. Okay, so from the 4th till the 2nd string, and with our middle and index we play triplet. Okay, so we start with A major, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet, and then we move over to D minor. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet. Okay, and 2 times. Then we go back to A major again. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet, D minor. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, triplet. A again. 1 triplet, 2 triplets, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet. Then again to D minor, but we start on the 3rd string. 1 triplet, then we go to the 2nd, 2 triplet, we lift our index, 3 triplet, go back to the 3rd string, 4 triplet, lift our ring finger, 5 triplet, and then on the 4th string, 6 triplet. Okay, I repeat. 1 triplet on the 3rd string. 2 triplet on the 2nd string. Lifting the index. 3 triplet. Back to the 3rd. 4 triplet. Lifting the ring finger. 5. And the last string, the 4th, 6 triplet. Okay, so this is the Malagueña melody. So we do it again from the beginning. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet. Then we switch to D minor. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet. A. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet. D minor. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet. A again. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet. 3rd string. 1 triplet, 2nd string, 2 triplet, lifting the index, 3 triplet, 3rd string, 5, 4 triplet, lifting the ring finger, 5, and the 4th string, 6 triplet. I repeat it. 3rd string, 1 triplet, 2nd string, 2 triplet, lifting index, 3 triplet, back to the 3rd, 4 triplet, lifting the ring, 5 triplet, and the 4th, 6 triplet. For more drama, you can strum now D minor, and then you play the D minor or D harmonic minor scale with the triplet, or picking one time the A string, but I prefer the triplet. Something like that, and you can finish it or put more drama on with hammer-ons and pull-offs. So this is your creativity to go ahead. Or the intro you can do like what I did. A down, moving the same chord shape up, up, then to the 7th fret with the middle, down, up, down. So it sounds more Spanish style. So I want you to be creative and not a copy of myself, because it's enough craziness with me. So enjoy the tutorial, and like you see, I'm practicing still the Malagueña. Enjoy and have fun, and I see you soon to the next tutorial. Mwah! Love you.